Hello everyone. So if you don't have that habit of cleansing your blood, or you've never cleansed your blood before, no, you are not doing justice to your system. Like, cleansing your blood cleanses any bad cells causing diseases and illnesses, or even damaging your skin cells, making your skin look old, aged prematurely. You want to cleanse your blood so you can have that fresh, healthy glow from within, and equally fight diseases so you can live a very healthy life with your skin cells intact. That way you always have that youthful and ageless glow to your skin. So you want to make this at least once every month to make sure your blood, your system is always intact so you can live a healthy life. So let's get straight into it. Voila! So in order to come up with our purifying cleansing smoothie, the first ingredient we'll be using will be beetroots. That is because beetroots have the ability of cleansing and purifying your blood, plus your organs like your kidneys, your liver, and consuming them in the form of smoothies are very good as they cleanse your organs for them to function properly, so you can live a very healthy life free of sicknesses and diseases, spending money at the hospital. So I'll be using two beetroots because I'm making it for two, and I'll be using the beets plus the leaves as well, the green leaves as well, the leaves from the beets. That is because the leaves are very alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses, for you to live a healthy life free of illnesses. And the beets is very good as well, as it has disease fighting properties. It helps to cleanse your organs, most especially your blood. It restores your system with a lot of iron, which is needed, most especially if you have blood shortage or your blood is not really clean, you are anemic. You want to go a little bit more on beets, and it leaves your blood so clean. And when your blood is clean, your skin glows differently. Your skin looks so youthful. It protects your skin cells from damaging, like renews your skin cells, so you can have that ageless, youthful glow to your skin. So this is it, two beetroots I have washed thoroughly, sliced, and now I am slicing the leaves from the beets. So this is not an extra leaf. If you were watching carefully, you know it is the leaves of the beets. So this is it, two beetroots sliced, washed thoroughly, and that is the first ingredient. The second ingredient I'll be adding in here will be cucumbers. Cucumbers are very good as well because they are alkalizing. They have disease fighting properties as well, and research has shown that it is very good at fighting certain kinds of cancers. That is because of the alkalizing nature of your cucumbers. Very good at fighting diseases. They are so hydrating and like 92% water based to support your system to flush out toxins out of your system, making you always easily fall sick and looking dull. So the hydration will leave your skin so fresh and plump. So this is so good. You want to get one cucumber. If you are doing for one, you can use half a cucumber, but for two you need one cucumber. So remember, I'm doing this for two. So you want to wash your cucumbers thoroughly, slice into tiny little sizes that you can easily blend and add in your smoothie. Very good at fighting diseases. Cucumbers are very good if you want to live a healthy life. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be carrots. So carrots equally help to purify and cleanse your blood, nourishing your system with nutrients to give you that healthy glow from the inside. It contains large amounts of beta carotene, which help to cleanse your blood as well, cleanse your skin cells, removes hyperpigmentations from your skin from the inside, like cleanses and unifies your skin tone from the inside. This is so good. This is what most companies use to come up with moisturizers to unify your skin tone with, and consuming it gives you that fresh, beautiful skin tone from the inside by cleansing your skin cells and your organs, so your body can in turn look so fresh. So these are the ingredients, first three ingredients. The next thing I'll be adding, which is very important, will be apples. So an apple a day takes you off the doctors because it is alkalizing as well, and it contains a little bit of most of the vitamins and minerals you need for the proper functioning of your system. So you want to be healthy, get yourself an apple. It is like a multivitamin you are putting in your system with a little bit of so many different vitamins and minerals you need to live a healthy life. So You want to get your apple now and wash thoroughly, slice into tiny little sizes that you can easily blend. So the apples I always use, the green apples, are very good when it comes to fiber and alkalizing nature of it, but these red apples are highly rich with, they contain a lot of antioxidants, and I really need antioxidants here to help with aging. So that is why I am using the red apples for today, but the greens are more disease fighting than this red, but I just need this red for the antioxidant. They contain more antioxidants than the green. So this is one apple I have sliced into tiny little sizes that will easily like get into my blender, and voila, this is it. These are the 4 ingredients. You have beetroots, cucumber, carrot, and apple. So what you want to do now, watch the steps, because I will not be adding any water in here. You want it really concentrated. You don't want to add water for this to be diluted. You want to have it as concentrated as you can. This is really strong and really concentrated to do the job. I have another video where I added in water, but I discovered this combination, like the way I came up with this, I got best results because it really actually cleaned me up, that I had to visit my restroom like 3 times a day, proving to me that it actually cleansed my system. So this is really good. This recipe is really good if you want to really cleanse and really get good results. So you want to blend to get a very smooth consistency, to get it really smooth. So the water in the cucumber acted like water in here to blend up these ingredients for me. The water in the apples, if you notice, most of the ingredients are water based, so no water was added here. As you can see, just the fruits blended up. Or if you can add 2 ice blocks. If you want it a little bit like lighter than this, you can add 2 ice blocks, but I really like it concentrated, like really concentrated. So no need adding water in here. You want to blend until it has that very smooth consistency in your mouth. But I love my smoothies at times a little bit crunchy in the mouth, most especially when I add in carrot. I like to have that chew of carrot in my, I like to like feel like to chew up the carrot. So this is the smoothie. This is it for 2, 1 glass for you and 1 glass for whoever you have at home. Share with whoever so we can cleanse. And as I mentioned earlier, this is something you want to do at least once every month to cleanse your organs so they can always be very clean, function properly, so you can live a very healthy life free of diseases and illnesses, and save yourself some time and money spending at the hospital treating yourself of diseases, whereas you could just prevent them yourself at home without necessarily going to spend money and time you could be working and looking for money you're spending at the hospital. So yeah, I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.